What do you think is the next great global problem, and how would you solve it? Do you know that human activities have been the main driver of the climate change, and this affects the planet in the long term, such as a global warming, analyze the main due to the burning of fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and gas, which cause damage to the planet atmosphere. In addition to the burning of fossil fuels, other activities such as deforestation, intensive agriculture, and industrialization, such as the most important companies in the world, such as Saudi Aramco, Chinese coal, which are from the coal trade and the chemical industries, also contributes to the climate change by releasing more greenhouse gases, with global warming, glacier melting, and sea level rise occur. There will be more intense droughts and more frequent heat waves. In addition, you will see less variability of water and low crop yields, loss of biodiversity, and this led to the economic problems in agriculture. Here will last the affected by changing the same climate, and this produces impact on respiratory disease due to the contaminated air, as well as food and water insecurity. And it has also affected large group of animals. Habitats have been significantly reduced. Vital resources such as the water and food are scarce, and environments that previously protected species are now uninhabitable. But how can we avoid this problem? We can all contribute to limiting climate change, from the way we get around to the electricity we use and the food we eat. We can make a difference. Start with this 10 action to the health tackle to the climate crisis. 1. Save energy at home. Much of our electricity and heating is powered by coal, oil, and gas. Use less energy by reducing heating and air conditioning, switching to LED light bulbs and energy efficient applicants, washing clothes in the cold water, or hiding wet clothes instead of using the dry. Get around by walking, cycling, or using public transport. The world roads are saturated with vehicles, most of them which use diesel or gasoline. Walking or cycling instead of driving reduce greenhouse gas emissions and benefit health and fitness. For longer distance, consider traveling by train or bus because it's very easy. And carpool whenever possible. Cold weather are hiding with clothes instead of using the driver. Eat more vegetables. Eating more vegetable, fruits, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, and less meat and dairy products can significantly reduce your environmental impact. Producing plant-based food typically generate fewer greenhouse gas emissions and require less energy, land, and water. Okay, there are also many ways to collaborate, such as the reforestation, plant trees, avoid using plastics, recycle your cooking oil, become a responsible consumer to reduce global warming, low carbon diet, digitize the document in companies, reduce waste, analyze the effect not only the environment but also our well-being and ultimate our survival.